What's up guys, and welcome to the first 2022 video. And what better way to kick things off than some Galaxy S22 leaks. Not just any leaks, we're looking at the official stuff. Samsung made press renders of the S22, S22 Plus and S22 Ultra are on the scene, giving us a proper actual look at the colors, design, as well as some other interesting details that we didn't know before. Samsung also made a very surprising New Year's move for all of Samsung fans that I personally never expected. That is definitely going to make you happy. But first, let's quickly break down the official teaser trailer for the AMD Exynos 2200 announcement. Yes, finally Samsung has made it official. The gaming market is about to get serious. Stay tuned. On January 11th, 2022, a new GPU will born with the RDNA 2 architecture. Samsung confirms that the new GPU inside the Exynos 2200 will have RDNA 2 architecture. In case you don't know, AMD RDNA 2 is the architecture used in PS5, Xbox, as well as next generation PC gaming graphics. One of the key things about RDNA 2 is that it is known to deliver performance by using less power, enhanced gaming visuals, ray tracing, and more. Meaning we will see all these features on Samsung's Exynos GPU. And you can tell by the whole teaser that Exynos 2200 is all about GPU. We're probably not gonna see any major CPU gains, so GPU is the whole hype. As of now, nobody really knows the potential of the Exynos 2200 with AMD GPU. It might actually be the most optimized chip on a phone, who knows? Either way, Samsung is looking confident. We're gonna see everything official on January 11th, 2022. Now moving on, here are the official press renders of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in all of its launch colors. So we got white, black, burgundy, and green color. It's for the first time Samsung is offering 4 colors on its Ultra flagship. Now we also have the press render from the front as well as from the side, so you can see exactly how that camera bump looks, and I gotta say it's looking very minimal, especially if you think how big it was just a few years ago with the S20 Ultra. Samsung has definitely made a lot of progress. Now looking at the official press renders for the Galaxy S22/S22 Plus, these are the 4 colors we have at the time of the launch. So we're looking at green, pink, gold, black, and white models. Now I'm still hoping that we see the S22 Ultra in that proper sexy red color that has been rumored for so long, but seems like at the time of the launch these might be the only available colors. Let me know what you think about this official press render stuff. Pretty much this is what we're gonna see officially at the Unpacked in February 2022. Also in the news, the leaks regarding the One UI 4.1 are already coming out, meaning this update might not be that far away. We might even get it on the Galaxy S22 series. Speaking of updates, Samsung has made a big New Year surprise for everyone. It's raining Android 12 updates for everyone. If you're rocking a Galaxy S flagship phone from the last 3 generations all the way to the S10, and same for the Note 10 series, the Android 12 update is rolling out for you right now. Even the original Galaxy Fold has got the official Android 12 update. As of now, Samsung is on the way of bringing the update to the Galaxy A52 users, and then eventually to the Galaxy A72, and then to more Samsung mid-range phones. This was just reported today, so it seems like we're gonna see Android 12 on pretty much all major Samsung devices, including the mid-range phones, before they launch the S22 series. So that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. Happy New Year's, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.